growth-focused businesses know they have to buy ads or they have to pay for SEO to get Google or Facebook or Instagram to send clicks their way. Here's the problem they face. Google and Facebook will keep sending you visitors as long as you keep sending them money. Google and Facebook don't care if the visitors you're paying for are unconvinced by what they read on your website. That's not Google's problem. Facebook doesn't care. Google and Facebook aren't going to stop you from turning on the hose before you've bought a bucket to catch the water. That critical bucket is your landing page, the part of your website where the right visitors meet the right words to create action. Writing a watertight landing page isn't rocket science. With guidance from someone who knows how, you can vastly increase the return on your ad spend, turning more of those expensive visitors from Google and Facebook into customers. And if the person giving you guidance has a framework, you can reliably repeat great results from campaign after campaign. So if you're getting the right visitors to your website and they're not converting, the place to look is your landing page. Are you ready with a bucket, or are you letting the hose run with nothing much to catch the water?